Owning a vehicle requires maintenance and repair at all times of the year. As such, finding a knowledgeable, reliable, and efficient mechanic means a lot to people. This listing is for an auto repair shop in Sarasota which fits that bill perfectly. The business's stellar online reviews are a testament to its commitment to excellence. The business is currently achieving annual revenues in excess of $500,000, with an owner benefit in excess of $250,000. The asking price on this listing is $279,000, which includes $75,000 in usable equipment. The business prides itself on experience, customer service, and honesty, and as such has gained a reputation in the local community for exactly that. The included equipment ensures that this business is ready to get started on day one under a new owner. If you think that this could be the right business opportunity for you, give us a call or send us an email, and we will be very happy to speak with you and provide further details. Thank you.